Today we're going to start assembling the rear bumper on the Redbird. This is the Bird rear bumper, which fortunately I'm going to be able to use this to see how it was put together and stuff, and so that I won't have to be doing too much guessing. Over here I've laid out the parts for the rear bumper, and here they are here. And we got all the chrome pieces, top part of the bumper guards, the bottom part of the bumper here, and then right here I took all the parts and got them powder coated. You see, so I got some hardware already in the pieces here. And over here we have another. So there was a total of 6 pieces here. It was pretty amazing. I was able to get these parts plus the front bracket powder coated for $125. I would have spent forever trying to clean these parts up and etch them, prime them, buying the paint, the time. Amazing. Now what I am also using here is this from Larry's Thunderbird and Mustang. It's a illustrated parts catalog that shows all the parts and pieces, the assembly for the rear bumper. What we got here, see if I can find it. There it is. So get out of the shadows there. You can see, well, that's all the assembly. Also over here we got, I bought all the hardware, brand new hardware from Larry's T-Bird. Here's the nuts and bolts I need to put the chrome pieces together and a few more to mount on the car. I want to point out something here on the back bumper over here where she attaches. And you can see there's a ridge here right along in here. And it goes all the way to here. So like I say, fortunately again we've got this Bird as a template. Now let me go over on the other side. And we have the same thing going on over here. There's a ridge going around from this top area. Ridge. So it turns out, tried to put the bumpers on the back of the restoring Redbird. Couldn't get them on because the metal was in the way. So let's go over there and take a look at what I've got going here. I've marked it up with some lines where they have to be cut. So over here, you see what we got going on. I actually bent the metal there so I could try to fit the bumper on. Went back over and looked at the Bird, and sure as heck was all this excess metal that was left on when the previous guy that was working on this Redbird didn't cut off. So I decided I was going to start putting parts on the car. Good thing I did. If I would have taken this to a painter, I would have been in deep doo-doo. So anyways, this is the left side, the driver's side, and over here we've marked up passenger side over here. So we're going to get the Sawzall out and start cutting away, then we'll fit it on. And the other thing I did do, when I put these back brackets on here, this bumper bracket and this one are for the lower bracket, along with this one here. It has the lower bracket. It has the bracket has the lower and the upper bumper, and the same thing over here. So let me get this all cut out of here, and then we'll show you, hopefully, the bumper's on. The bumper assembly all put together. There's the gas tank flap. Put that up after the bumper's installed. And over here is the rear of the Redbird. We'll mount this. And then here is the back side of the assembly. So it was designed to put on. Now there's adjustments here, and it turns out also here and here, so that you can move the bumper around and get it centered. And I did have it on there in pieces. Found that it was probably going to be all the way over to here to get it centered. Here we have the rear bumper. We installed that right after we moved the T-Bird into the garage. Mounted pretty nice. So if you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to follow my project here through the restoration, okay, have a nice day.